Hey sir, good evening. My name is Kion Charles D. Cortel from Bersamin Alcala, Pangasinan, BSIT, third year, Block B. So, I will create a basic web application with user registration, login and Kafka integration, middleware and user role, and admin and user. We'll added functionality for handling success messages and display validation errors. So, first, user registration, form creation. Build a form, collect name, email, and password. Include the @CSRF directive in the form to generate a CSRF token to prevent CRF attack. So here, ito po yung form with CSRF. Ito po yung code niya. Ayan. And then, so pagkatapos nun, ayan, validate the reCAPTCHA on the back end, insert user data into the database upon registration, assign a default role, example user upon registration. So, ito po yung code niya. Ayan, Google reCAPTCHA. And then, punta po tayo sa ayan. Bale, ito po yung kinakalabasan niya. So, mag-insert tayo here. Name. But, nakakonto. gmail.com. Then, password 2004. So, hindi muna natin siya pipindutin here, then i-register natin. Then, so sinasabi dito na and the password must be at least 8 character content. Password 8. Ayan. Ang tuloy na lang. So, ulit. So, ayaw niya mag-form dahil hindi natin pinindot yung ito. Alto natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think dapat maliliit. At naka-caps lock. gmail.com. Ayun, ayaw niya talaga. So, yun. And then, next is display success message 26 registration. Show validation error message below the form fields if there are validation errors. Highlight input fields with errors in red and retain the all values in the form field. So, punta tayo ulit doon. Then, ilalagay natin doon. Pipindutin natin yun. Then, mag-locate tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, pipindutin natin siya. Then, i-register. So, ayan. Naka-register na tayo. Ayan, registration success. So, next is create login form for email and password. Include the SRF directive in the login form to see SRF protection. So, ito po siya. Ito po yung code niya. Ayan. Yeah. So, next next, authenticate user and maintain their login status using sessions. So, punta tayo sa then mag-login lang tayo. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then login. Then palitan natin dito ang login. Punta ulit tayo sa login. Tapos, dapat nakalogin pa rin tayo sa dashboard. Okay. User dashboard. So, ayan. Nakalogin pa rin tayo, guys. So, next is so, ayun guys. Dito tayo sa user role, user and admin, role management. Ayan. Then, punta tayo doon sa code. Ayan, yung role middleware, PHP. Ayan po yung code niya. And then, sa local host. Palitan natin dito ng admin. Ayan. Then, mag-login ulit tayo. Kung napalitan nga ba siya ng admin. Hala. Mali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ayun. Naka-admin na tayo. Yes. So, log out na natin. Then, log out successfully. Then, that's it for today's video. So, na. Bye-bye.